Selamat sejahtera. My name is Evike Nisyana binti Majli and my metric number is BS24110005, and thank you to Dr. Nazia binti Abdul Qadar for watching my video presentations about hybridization in aquaculture for hybrid tilapia. First, I want to start with the introductions. Hybridization is a breeding technique that crosses two different species to produce offspring with improved traits in aquaculture. Tilapia is a widely farmed freshwater fish, and Oreochromis niloticus and Oreochromis aureus are important species due to their fast growth and environmental tolerance. Hybridizations of Oreochromis niloticus and Oreochromis aureus aims to combine the advantages of both species to improve aquaculture productivity and sustainability. Next is the importance of tilapia in aquaculture. There are three, which is first, fast growth and adaptability. It allows tilapia to be widely farmed in various freshwater environments. Second, high market demand and low production costs. It makes tilapia economically important and profitable in aquaculture. And lastly, food security. It provides an affordable and reliable sources of protein for population worldwide. Next is target organism for hybrid tilapia, which is I choose Nile tilapia, or scientific name Oreochromis niloticus, and blue tilapia, scientific name Oreochromis aureus. For target organisms, these both tilapia have each trait before doing hybridizations. For Nile tilapia, that is widely cultured freshwater species and known for fast growth and good flesh quality, but less tolerant to low temperature. Meanwhile, for blue tilapia is native to Africa and cultured worldwide. And blue tilapia more tolerant to low temperature and higher salinity. But the bad thing is have slower growth compared to Nile tilapia. Next is the purpose of hybridizations. The purpose for this hybridization is first, to combine the favorable traits of both parent species. Second, to improve growth performance and survival rate. And lastly, to reduce uncontrolled reproductions in culture systems. Next is hybridization process involve methodology and breeding conditions. For the methodology, male Oreochromis niloticus crossed with female Oreochromis aureus, and the broodstock selected based on maturity and health. Also, artificial fertilizations carried out under controlled hatchery conditions. And the second is breeding conditions. For these breeding conditions, the water temperature must maintain at 20 to 30 Celsius. High dissolved oxygen levels to support egg and embryo survival, and also must be clean and control water quality to ensure successful fertilizations. Next is result and discussions. First, growth performance. Hybrid tilapia show faster growth than Oreochromis aureus due to inheritance from Oreochromis niloticus. Growth performance is more stable under variable conditions compared to pure Oreochromis niloticus, and also have shorter culture periods improve overall production efficiency. For the discussions, this faster growth is likely due to genetic contributions from Oreochromis niloticus and leads to shorter culture periods. Second is the survival rate. Improved stress tolerance inherited from Oreochromis aureus. Higher survival rate compared to pure Oreochromis niloticus, especially in cooler conditions, and lower mortality during early life stages. Further discussions, improved survival reflects the stress tolerance inherited from Oreochromis aureus, reducing production losses. Third, environmental tolerance, greater tolerance to low temperature than Oreochromis niloticus, and also able to tolerate moderate salinity due to Oreochromis aureus strains, and also can be cultured in ponds, cages, and brackish water systems. For the discussions, this improved tolerance is inherited from Oreochromis aureus and allows the hybrid to be cultured in a wider range of environments. Lastly is flesh quality and market value. Flesh quality remains similar to Oreochromis niloticus. Market value is comparable or higher than pure strains. Good consumer acceptance in local and international markets. Further discussions, good flesh quality and stable market value indicate that hybridization improves biological performance without reducing consumer acceptance or economic value. And the next topic is disadvantages and risks. First, environmental risks. Potential escape of hybrids into natural ecosystems. Competition with native species for food and habitat. Second, genetic concerns. Risk of genetic introgressions into wild populations, which is reductions in genetic diversity if hybrids dominate productions. And lastly, ethical and regulatory issues. For non-native species, hybrid tilapia may threaten native fish populations if released into natural waters. Genetic and ecological risks. Escape hybrids can compete with or affect the genetics of wild species. Regulatory control, strict regulations and biosecurity measures are needed to prevent environmental impacts. Next is recommendations. If there are disadvantages and risks for these hybridizations, they must be also have recommendations. For the recommendation first must be strict biosecurity measures to prevent escape of hybrid tilapia from farms into natural water bodies. Second, do environmental monitoring. Regularly monitor surroundings waters to detect potential impacts on native fish populations. And lastly, control use of hybrids. Use hybrid tilapia only in approved aquaculture systems under proper management guidelines. Lastly is the conclusions. Hybridizations between Oreochromis niloticus and Oreochromis aureus improve aquaculture productivity by enhancing growth performance, survival rate, and environmental tolerance. While these benefits support efficient and profitable tilapia farming, proper management and strict biosecurity measures are necessary to reduce potential environmental and genetic risks. And this is the differences where I got the information about hybridizations, especially hybrid tilapia. And that's all from me. Thank you.